welcome back. In this video we want to talk about the notes, and I don't know about others, but for me sometime the quickest way of what's that probably my son was um, trying some HTML. All right, so the notes for me, the quickest way of saving grocery list, I normally use notes that I will keep remembering, hey, buy this and buy that, and once you're at the grocery store, you forget everything. So that's what I do. If I keep forgetting something, I add them to my notes, and once at Walmart or whatever grocery store, Kroger, I take a look and see, okay, what's missing. And it's been a lifesaver quite a few times. So here, notes you can launch from the dock here, and the only thing that is pretty straightforward. If you want to write a new note, you write a new note. The first line is always going to be your title. For example, I would write for like it's something that I wanted to buy. For example, I wanted to buy the cucumber seeds. So that's how the first thing becomes your title, and each additional thing is your list. Even though this one is there are different controls over here. This is pretty neat. Normally on the phone, I never tried adding a picture. I don't remember even if there was an option one, but on Mac there is an option here. You can you can share it with your friends. That really cool and nice feature that I found is this one, but it's the lock. Like, you can lock your notes, only you are able to see and nobody else. And I look at here, I think he locked his note. He got to this one before me. I will ask him what the password is. All right, so okay, and he did that in 15 February, and he locked it. And today, as you can see, it's May 31st, Labor Day. Wow, so he is ahead of me maybe 3-4 months. Okay, so let's keep going. This one is obviously the viewing, like how you want you to view your notes. On my phone, normally it looks like this. So in this view, you can actually see a little bit of content as well. In the list view, you have just the headers. If you wanted to delete something, you can delete it from here, like select it and then delete. This one, password, I don't know what that is. I should take a peek. I will later on. Next one is, if you wanted a new one, we already seen. If you want to delete, you can right click over here, or you can delete this from here. It will be deleted. This one, what does this do? Make a checklist. Okay, so you can actually, once you are at the wherever you are, you can check them off. So pretty cool. This is locking. Now, why you want to lock? Sometime there's a note that you don't want anybody else to read, and maybe it's a shared device, or maybe you have a phone that you give it to coworker for any reason, and you want to make sure that nobody can stroll in and go take a peek. Now you can you can put any password. Let's put secure note. Okay, what's happening is the note has a feature that you cannot set the passwords for individual notes. So it will be one password, and that will unlock all of them. So since he already went in and put in a password that I have no idea what it is. Okay, yep, So he has a password here and I can't unlock it, and he had a hint here. Okay, I will ask him what the actually try this and see, and it's unlocked. That was his password. All right, so now I can lock this one as well. Let's lock note. It's been close all now. You can see everything is locked. If I go here and remove no, I don't to remove a lock I have to enter a password. I know his password now, so I will simply unlock it. You can see everything unlocks automatically, and if I were to go and close it and actually quit it and then launch notes back again, you can see they are automatically locked. So this is kind of a little bit of security to know that if you make sure that you are quitting the application, that will lock them notes and you can have a little bit of peace of mind. But if you are like me, just pressing the X button, that is not going anywhere. They will be still unlocked if you had unlocked them before hitting this one. Let me show you. So if I just hit the X, not the quit, and they are still unlocked. All right, so this is about it for the notes, and this is very famous. Send a copy or upload to somebody. um, this is it for this video. I'm gonna wrap it here. I hope this has helped you. At least you know the password, right? And please rate, comment, subscribe, and share, and I will see you in the next one.